Namaskar, gratitude,
Namaskar.
greeting. Today we have with us Miss Rachna Pavan, who's a lifelong learner and a tarot life coach for mothers. I welcome you on Star Talks, Rachna. So nice to have you with us. And I really want to hear from you your journey from a corporate office to parenting and tarot reader, parenting coach and tarot reader. Can you
And
please
yes,
throw some light? Yeah.
yes. First of all, I would like to thank you, Preeti, for calling me here for the live session. And yes, it's my first live, and thank you. I will get a lot of experience also from this, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I would like to show gratitude towards you. Yes, and when it comes to the journey, yeah, I as soon as I completed my graduation, I was selected through the campus interview itself to the MNC company. So I worked there for 2.5 years. So I got married. Then because of the situations and all, I had to leave the job. So I got my kids. Somewhere when I was looking after my children at home, something was pricking me that इतना ही नहीं है और कुछ करना है लाइफ में आई एम नॉट यस नो डाउट आई एम अ वेरी गुड मदर very caring and very good homemaker and a mother. First preference will always be a family for me. So apart from the family also I have to do something which where I can be financially independent as well, and I can make समथिंग फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि क्योंकि मैंने पहले शेयर मार्केट में ही जंप किया था. So I tried there. I got 2 to 3 months. I was getting profit through the share market and all. I was earning and I got loss also. So I would like to say this way. But somewhere that वो अंदर का satisfaction जो है ना वो मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था. Rachna, this is not what you meant for. So what I thought was then I was when I was just going through the Insta ads and all. Na, I met Pooja Puneet ma'am, so who is India's renowned life coach. I would like to say her. So I thought ki let me try that webinar as well. It was very resonating for me, so I jumped into first level coaching mastery as well for 2 days. So she just portrayed my this thing skills which I wanted for. So then I made a decision that yes, Rachna, this is the field which you wanted, which you was looking for. So I came into that particular thing. So she with her exercises and all na, then I got to know my micro niche, which was parenting, because I was very close to my kids. I wanted to nurture them beautifully, nurture and nourish them, and I wanted to see them in the this level, because I didn't have that much skill to what manage, because parenting doesn't mean that your kid has to be what my thought earlier when I jumped into parenting. It was like your kid has to achieve, your kid has to be academically good or something like that, because that was the thing which was projected on us since childhood. But when I jumped to this field, then what I realized ki first connection is important with them, what the because they those two kids are also in the journey as us. So they too are different souls which are in their own journey. So so yes, that teaching or that learning made me to implement on my kids, and the bonding between me and them was becoming stronger and stronger. So along with the stronger, I was nurturing them also, nurturing them as well. So yes, I was liking the journey which I chose. Then in that as my mentor Riddhi Devra, she also says that we have to be a lifelong learner. That tagline I took it from her. So even I felt that this thing, yes, we are meant to be a lifelong learner as well. So then some in this path, in this journey only, I found myself that key I have to learn, because since childhood I was a spiritual kind of personality I had. So that made me to attract towards tarot. I can say. So I got some kind of वो बोलते हैं ना कि मुझे वो खींच रहा था कि I have to learn it more. I have to go in depth when it comes to manifestations, law of attractions, and all. Na? Apart from that, somewhere tarot astrology is somewhere related to that this thing and all. So even I made my place there. I learned that skill for 3 months. So within 3 to 6 months, I got placed in a very reputed online platform itself. So I worked there as a tarot reader and a parenting because a lot of mothers were also approaching me in that online platform. So I was guiding them, and I felt. It was not about the money or it was not about this thing, because I felt that how my journey is so beautiful and aligned whatever that I needed, because that kind of satisfaction I was not getting when I was working in an MNC or when I was doing share market also. That kind of satisfaction I was not getting. So here I was able to see that how beautifully my journey is aligned. So I thought ki I have to learn more, I have to start my own thing. Then I came to this beautiful community of Bina and Sunny Nagpal, Bina ma'am and Sunny Nagpal sir. So this was an immense shift, I can say, because within a month, I have seen a tremendous shifts in me. It can be approaching the confidence level, I can say. Then speaking, because how I am speaking with you now, this is my first time, Preeti. Still my legs are shivering, I can say. But that I have broken the resistance, I can say that, because since childhood I was kind of introvert kind of personality and very shy natured, hesitant kind of personality I was. So yes, here I would bring into picture Bina and Sunny sir, because they have shown me that reflection. I can say that you are meant to do a lot more things, Rachna. You are not this much. So yes, this is my journey, and somewhere I'm getting lot of positive hopes, and this will be very beautiful and I will be very successful kind of thing ना. वो पहले जब भी मैं कोर्स पर इन्वेस्ट करती थी, I was getting that I was going on investing when I can uh, earn, or means the dream and all, how when it will be fulfilled. But now at the present stage, what I'm feeling is I'm loving my journey, and I'm very much confident that within a year I will see a lot of breakthrough in myself. That self doubt no wo chal gaya hai. So I can achieve more, so
Wow,
by
wow,
managing my
so
family.
great.
Yeah.
I too am proud of your journey. It's so nice listening from you. So,
Thank you.
so I'll remember this date today. And so 1 year from now, again, I'll interview you. So
Sure, sure. Yeah.
the new Rachna Pavan with us.
Yeah.
So, what inspires you, Rachna?
uh, any specific thing, or how
What,
means
uh,
generally?
what you've spoken a lot, you've told about
Yeah.
your journey, that was some inspiration was there, but to be just specific, what was that one thing that inspired you to move from your corporate life?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That see, when I was working there as a corporate, I was before marriage. I was working there, but after marriage, hardly 6 months I have gone there. But when I was feeling ki, unlike all the this thing, if the husband is earning well, what is the necessary? Because even my family suggested me the same thing. He is also well settled financially. There is only one person, means one person needed who can take care of her family very well. Because when she gets to the earning zone and all, na, the family will get helter skelter. That kind of image I was put into. But when I was with the family for the whole time, something that because what I believe after learning the tarot also, each soul has a purpose. We move in a some kind of purpose kind of a thing, even though we get even though we get projected from the outside whatever we have to learn, or whatever in whichever way we have to be. But some things will be getting attracted towards us na? So even I have felt saw so many friends maybe I can say so many friends, or maybe I can say so many relatives also, whose husbands are well off and they are full time homemakers. But within them, na, they were not happy because they are not going to do anything. That the same feeling I was getting actually. So when I saw that Puja ma'ams also, that we are making homemakers independent, financially independent kind of thing, with balancing the families and all, na, that is the exactly which I wanted. Uh, it doesn't mean that if I start earning, I will rule my husband or I will rule the family. It's nothing like that. I am taking in that way that if even if I earn, I can contribute to the family, and we can stay happily and more luxuriously. That's the seed which I want to put in the homemakers, because there are a lot of housewives I can see near me, but they have high potential, but they are not coming out of their shells, assuming that हम में ईगो ना आ जाए, या हमारे पति को बुरा ना लगे, हमारे सास को बुरा ना लगे. So it's not that the moment we start earning, we will be rule the family, or we will be in that egocentric mentality and all, na? That is the reason we want mentors in our life, so they will be guiding us wherever we are going wrong, because even we are humans, correct? So we can't be in that godly energy every time. When we sit for the meditation for some time, yes, we can be, but when we are in one kind of community and all, na, that energy we will carry for the specific time, I can say. Yeah.
So,
So
which tarot card do you relate yourself to?
rider weight I
Uh,
okay,
Please
tarot
explain. I
cards,
don't
that
know what it is.
among the 78 cards you are asking me, which
Which
tarot
card are
card I.
you? Yes.
I am longing. Actually, I am aspiring to be a Empress card. As of now, I can say that I am in the high priestess is also not that this thing. High priestess, she will just see which are the bad or which are the good things, and she will come into that decision what has to be on her way. So presently I am in that, because she is a very she has lot of intentions, good intentions in her heart, who has to contribute to her, to society as well, towards her family as well. As of now I am in that zone. I want to reach to the Empress level, where there are a lot of celebrations, there are a lot of fructile in her life, and she will be very much financially independent, and yes, leading her life on her energy, I can say. So I want to
Wow.
reach there.
Very nice. So, just in one word, what is Rachna?
Creation.
Great. And what is life?
uh,
In one word,
Life
life
is
for you?
movie.
Oh, wow. Happiness?
It's a feeling. It's a bliss feeling, kind of thing. Yeah.
Your wish?
My wish, it's a dream. If I have to tell my wish, it's a long list, I can say. But to
Just
keep it
one I'm
short,
asking.
yeah, to keep it short, I want to, whatever goal I have kept now, as I want to be an entrepreneur, a tarot life coach for mothers, which I have started the journey. I want to get this successful, and yes, I want to earn my dream income every month, and contribute to the family very yeah, contribute to the family as well as the society also. That is my dream.
Wonderful. So glad, Rachna, you came today to the Star Talks and we had a good talk with you. So glad that you came. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
And I am happy that it resonates with all the homemakers, what you say. And yes, it
Mm.
is very important for all the women to be empowered.
Yes.
Thank you for this wonderful message and being a lifelong learner and coming so far.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Namaskar.
much for calling me here. Namaskar. Yeah.
Thank you.